Thanks for joining me for today's video session on privacy. As many of you are aware, the Privacy Act was amended in March of this year. There are 4 key compliance measures that most businesses are required to take in relation to these changes. The first relates to updating your privacy policy. The second relates to implementing collection notices at the point you collect individuals' personal information. The third key compliance measure is the introduction of a privacy manual for your business. And the fourth is for training to the directors of your business to avoid or mitigate risk in relation to personal liability. Most of you may have already updated your privacy policy, and this is a key first step to take. The changes to the Privacy Act require businesses to update their privacy policy and to include mandatory information within the policy itself. A further change and a second key compliance measure is the introduction of collection notices to be provided to individuals at the point that you collect their personal information. So, for example, if you have a sales team who make telephone calls, the collection notice should be provided during the sales script. A third key compliance measure is the introduction of a privacy manual for your business. The changes mean that all businesses are required to implement procedures and processes to their business to prevent breaches of privacy. A key way of doing this is to have a privacy manual for your business that all employees are required to follow. This can demonstrate that your business has taken reasonable steps to prevent the breach of any privacy. A fourth compliance measure is to ensure that the directors or the board of your company receive some training. This will demonstrate that their knowledge on privacy is sound and that they have taken reasonable steps to prevent a breach of privacy within their business. This will mean that they can avoid personal liability. A key consequence of the changes to the Privacy Act is the introduction of substantial fines to both businesses and to individuals. So these 4 compliance steps are a very good way of mitigating your risk. I have developed a compliance package for my clients at a very reasonable cost, and if you would like to inquire in relation to that, please do contact me at my email address, which is vinesh@vsgeorge.com.au. Thank you for joining me today.